Hey folks, it's Duke here from GeoFolks. Today I'm going to show you how to change the coordinate system for a drawing in Civil 3D. So one thing you can do is you can go up to the C button here, click this drop down arrow, and then under drawing utilities, go to drawing settings, and then under units and zone, you can find a coordinate system that suits you right here. One of the best ways to remember this or to navigate and use this system is to remember the codes associated with the coordinate system. So for example, I know the code for this drawing is a WA83SF. So I can just type that in, and then the NAD 83 Washington State Plane South Zone US foot will show up. Then I can click apply or OK. And then from there, you should see the geolocation button come up. You can click on that and then turn on your aerial to see if you're in the right spot. And yeah, it looks like things are matching up, so I'm in the right spot. So just a quick way to actually change the coordinate system of a map that you're working with, because sometimes you may get a specific drawing, or sorry, a drawing that you're working with. You may get a specific drawing that you're working with that does not have a coordinate system already assigned. And so now you know how to do that. Once you figure out what the coordinate system is, you can then apply it using that. Another way to do it is to go to your tool space, go to the settings. So you may be in Prospector, click on the settings, right click and go edit drawing settings, and that'll take you back to that same spot where you can type in that code, or you can use this drop down, these two drop downs here, to kind of navigate to the coordinate system that you want. So just a couple ways to change the coordinate systems of a drawing in Civil 3D. Thanks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.